Your hair is so soft and nice. Stop. Oh, hi. Sorry, that was my boo enjoying my hair. Look how nice my hair is. Like, I just took the braids out and I had to check when did I put the braids in, because the hair was just growing out so much. But look how beautiful it is. Look at this. And it's almost 2 weeks. Like 2 days from now will make 2 weeks since I had the braids in. I used my Alafia shampoo and conditioner and my Africare hair oil and my super duper hair growth oil. See it there? But sis, don't worry, I got you. I got all those things from iHerb and the link is down below. And guess what? Save your money, sis. Save your money. Click the link because you get discounts when you use my link. Yeah, baby. We're gonna do this, okay?
Previously on
One Big Irie Family. I am gonna make a video with all my tips and secrets. All of them.
Leave-in conditioner solution that I made with water for her hair because her hair is a bit tangly. Your hair don't have any germs. I already washed it yesterday and I put it in 2 ponytails. But no, hold on. First you gotta show the people. This is She Moisture.
Yeah.
Be only my turn, okay?
Mommy, now we look great.
And to tell the truth, I locked my hair after I had Jace because I couldn't bother doing my hair, and it has been the best thing of my life because I no longer have to get up and think about combing my hair in the mornings. I just rub up something nice and I can just let it go if I'm just going to the store or anywhere that I'm going. I can just let it down and that's it. Good hairstyle. What am I wearing? See that? So now all I gotta do unbun my hair. Do you like it? Is it pretty?
Okay, family, so there we go. 8 top tips, 8 secrets, whatever you want to call it, they are there for you to enjoy healthy hair. So once you start to apply these tips right away, you will see results in your hair, also in hair growth, not just healthy hair. I didn't delve too much into recommended products because different products work well for different people. For example, some persons really can't deal with coconut oil. It doesn't work well with their hair or their scalp. It might cause irritation. So once you try a product and it doesn't work for you, just try to change it. Okay, so it's always good to do your research, and not only to do your research but to try the products. All right, as long as it's not something that's going to cause harm to your hair. So that's tip number 9. Work with the products that work with your hair. Tip number 10. Do not compare your hair growth to anyone else's. Comparison is a killer. And let me tell you, there are a lot of persons on YouTube who talk about hair growth and they show you how long their hair is, but it all comes down to genetics. A lot of persons can cut their hair today and tomorrow it's like Rapunzel, right? You know what I mean? So,
and let it go. Hey, mama's cute.
do not compare your hair growth with anyone else's. Just ensure that you're applying these tips, and trust me, they will work. I need to emphasize on trimming because a lot of times we see like here right now I need to trim. I think probably need to trim this all off right here. This is all just thread. When you have split ends, what happens is that the ends are splitting faster than your hair is growing. So you want to feel like you have long hair and it's thread, string. No, clip it all off, sis or bro. Clip it off. So if you found value in this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and of course, sharing is caring. It's not going to cost you anything. Just click the share button and tell someone about this awesome video. And of course, I do speak about hair growth tips, healthy hair, how I deal with my hair in a foreign country. Right now the weather, it is so hot, so even trying to keep my hair is just like non-existent. So that is why protective styles are important. If you need more information on any of the tips that I gave, please be sure to let me know in the comment section. And if you want to see more videos about my life here in Japan and about hair and basically about my craziness, you see the madness, right? Hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it, and I will see you in the next video. Boom bang, I'm out. Stay blessed, stay irie.
And that's it.